Okay, in this video, I'm just going to go through some more advice on how to use binary operations. Okay, so we got on the set of real numbers. We've been given this binary operation here, and we need to find the value of a such that a combined with 5 is equal to 10. Okay, so previously we've been given two elements and we needed to find the output. This time we've been given one of the elements and the output, and then we need to find the other element that would have to combine with it. So if we look at what we've got, our left element is our b, so that means 5 is our b. Okay, so essentially what we can do here is substitute 5 into b in AB take away 3a, and the result should be equal to 10. So I can form an equation. It'll be a multiplied by b, which is 5, take away 3a is equal to 10. Then on the left-hand side, we got 5a take away 3a is equal to 10. So 2a is going to be equal to 10, and therefore a would be equal to 5 as well in this case. Okay, and that will be the solution. Okay, another scenario that we have to consider here then. So on the set of complex numbers, we've been given our binary operation. And our binary operation is looking pretty complicated here. Okay, the 3 take 2i is always going to be in there, and then we're going to multiply it by a value for a, and multiply it by b, and then we need to subtract 3a. So there's quite a lot of calculations going on there. That's going to take quite a bit of time. Now we're asked to find the output of this specific, these specific two elements combined together. So therefore, because the 4 take 1 is on the left, that would be my a, and then the 2 take I is on the right, so that would be my b. So what you'd then need to do is substitute each of those into my binary operation. Okay, so it would be equal to the 3 take 2i multiplied by a, which is 4i take 1, multiplied by b, which is 2 take I, and then subtract 3 lots of a, so 3 lots of 4i take 1. Now that calculation, if you're going to do it manually, will take quite a while. Okay, so the main point of this video is just to remind you that your calculator that you have, okay, has the complex mode on it, and you could put this whole calculation directly in there, and that is what you're expected to do. Because actually, often you might be asked to do multiple of these calculations, and if you sit there doing them all manually, you're probably going to get it wrong, and by the time you finish the question, you will have used up half of your time in the exam. Okay, so now would be a good time, if you don't remember how to do a calculation like this on your calculator, and to have a go. And I think I've got the answer here, and the answer comes out as 27 plus 11i. Okay, so just have a go and check that you can get that. And then similar about this third one here, so have a look at the scenario. We've got the set of 2x2 matrices as our set, okay, and then the elements of those matrices are going to be real numbers. Okay, so remember when we talk about elements of a matrix, for example, 3 is an element, -2 is an element, and so on. And then our binary operation is written here, and once again is looking pretty complicated. Okay, trying to do that matrix calculation will take a while when you substitute the values in. So once again, reminder, your calculator can do matrix calculations, and now would be a good time to practice that and make sure you can do it. Okay, so substitute this one here on the left in for A, and this one on the right in for B, and have a go at trying to get the correct answer using your calculator as quickly as possible. And I have the correct answer here for you to check.